Today we'll be assembling the Brinly-Hardy One-Point Lift System. Tools required for assembly: an adjustable wrench, a 13 mm, a 19 mm, a 24 mm wrench or socket, a tape measure, and gloves. Step 1. Begin by aligning the front hitch weldment to the height adjustment column at the position that best suits your UTV or ATV hitch height. Run 2 M16 hex bolts through the column and the weldment. Secure each with an M16 lock nut and tighten completely with a wrench and a 24 mm socket and socket wrench. Step 2. With decals facing out, align the two upper pivot arms to the height adjustment column. Run 1 M16 by 120 mm hex bolt through, adding 1 M16 flat washer on each side of the pivot arm and column. Then loosely secure with 1 M16 lock nut. Do not fully tighten, the arm should be able to swivel with some stiffness. Next, align the two lower pivot arms to the height adjustment column. Run 1 M16 by 120 mm hex bolt through, adding 1 M16 flat washer on each side of the pivot arm and column. Loosely secure with 1 M16 lock nut. Again, do not fully tighten, allowing the arms to swivel with some stiffness. Step 3A. Slide the rear hitch weldment in place between the two center holes of the upper pivot arms. Run 1 M16 by 120 mm hex bolt through, adding 1 M16 flat washer on each side. Then loosely secure with 1 M16 lock nut. Tighten just enough to hold everything in place while still allowing the assembly to move freely. Step 3B. Slide the two lower pivot arms into place at the base of the rear hitch weldment. Run 1 M16 by 120 mm hex bolt through, adding 1 M16 flat washer on each side, then loosely secure with 1 M16 lock nut. Step 4. Using a screwdriver for leverage if needed, thread the height adjustment brace halfway down the height adjustment rod. Step 5A and B. Attach the height adjustment assembly between the upper pivot arm ends using 1 M12 by 100 mm hex bolt, 1 M12 flat washer, and 1 M12 lock nut. Then secure the base to the rear hitch weldment tabs using 1 M12 by 80 mm hex bolt, 1 M12 flat washer, and 1 M12 lock nut. Once the height adjustment assembly is properly aligned, fully tighten all hardware from Step 5 using a wrench and the appropriate size socket and socket wrench. Step 6. Slide the handle onto the end of the height adjustment rod. Secure the handle using the 7 mm clevis pin and the cotter hairpin. Step 7A. Slide the handle inner tube onto the end of the handle assembly. Then run 1 M8 by 120 mm hex bolt with the oversized washer through the handle and secure from below using 1 M8 flat washer and 1 M8 lock nut. Fully tighten the handle hardware. Step 7B. Slide the red grip onto the handle. Step 8A. Thread the 2 M12 by 60 mm hex bolts into each side of the rear hitch weldment base. Step 8B. Place the stabilizer plate onto the rear hitch weldment, then secure using the hitch pin and cotter hairpin. Step 8C. Finally, secure the front hitch weldment using the hitch pin and cotter hairpin. If you have any questions or concerns, contact our customer service team at 877-728-8224 or visit us at Brinly.com.